Hello and welcome to another episode of Medals Monday. This time we're going to be looking at the Service Vietnam Medal, which was established by the Department of State on the 18th of December 1967 and is comparable to the Vietnam Service Medal. Considering the extraordinary and hazardous conditions of service encountered in Vietnam, the Department of State and other agencies desire to recognise honourable performance of duty by their civilian personnel in that country. The new award that was issued is in the form of a medal suspended from a ribbon, a miniature medal and lapel emblem and citation certificate accompanying the medal. All civilian employees of the United States government serving in Vietnam, except Americans and other nationals of other countries who have resided in South Vietnam prior to 1st of January 1962, are eligible to receive the medal upon completion of an aggregate of 365 days of service, including days of leave authorised while on duty in Vietnam, provided that 1. The 365 days commences on or after the 1st of January 1962. 2. The assignment was on the basis of a regular tour of duty or was otherwise the result of an official determination, such as extended or intermittent temporary duty. And 3. Performance was adequate at all times. Notwithstanding the fact that he or she has not completed the aggregate of 365 days service in Vietnam, an employee who is otherwise eligible and whose service in Vietnam is discontinued because of injury or disability incurred as a result of hostile action will be deemed eligible to receive this award. Looking at the front, the obverse of the medal, on a disc of red brass oxidized relieved satin finish, 1 1/4 inch in diameter, a dragon with its head to the left and its body and tail in an S shape, looped to the right, encircling the handle of a flaming torch placed diagonally across the centre from lower right to upper left, circumscribed with the words Vietnam above and service below in raised letters. The dragon, a symbol of many beneficent forms in Vietnam, is used in conjunctions with a flaming torch of liberty, indicating our country's aim to help maintain the cause of freedom among liberty-loving peoples of the world. If we turn it over and we look at the back or the reverse, on a disc of the same dimensions as above, with lines radiant from centre, the shield from the United States coat of arms, flanked by 2 branches of olives bearing 13 leaves and 13 olives, circumscribed with the words Government of the United States, both above and below in raised letters, with a raised 5-pointed star to the left and right between the 2 word groups. The shield at the centre expresses the country's aim of world peace, and the rays of the background signify the continuation of all our efforts to achieve peace. Moving on to the medal ribbon. So if we get a nice close-up of the medal ribbon. The regulation size ribbon is 1 3/8 of an inch wide, with ground colours of scarlet flanked by yellow, blue, yellow, scarlet, yellow, blue, with edge and binder of blue. The symbolism of the colours of ribbon. In the ribbon, the colour blue, established as the national colour in 1821, alludes to the United States, and the colours yellow and scarlet are from the flag of the Republic of Vietnam. If we look at the back, you will see there is some hallmarks. Now, very faintly, I don't know if you'll make it out, on the left you have GR, then in the middle it looks like you have CO, and then on the right it looks like you have GI or G1. Now I've looked at my database and I can't find who those hallmarks belong to. It doesn't mean that this is not an officially stamped or approved medal. It just means that I don't have the data to find out who that hallmark belongs to. The ring, like everything, every other medal we've looked at, is just pushed together. There's no metal solder and can be easily covered by the ribbon. And that's it. Thanks for watching. As with all my videos, if you've enjoyed the content, please like, share, subscribe and comment, and I'll see you later.